Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, както и уважаеми другарки и другари, намираме се on the famous downhill course Birds of Prey. The conditions are spring/summer, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. We are experiencing icy condition, chopped ice condition, sugar, and a little bit of a slush down there at the bottom, this red tail home camp. And now we're gonna go trying to find where is the path to the downhill. And that's what I'm going to try to do.
In other words, другарю, знаете ли пътя за надолу?